So after attaching it, this is how it looks. You can see. I'll go ahead and secure it. So I will go ahead and put it on my dummy hair for you to see how it looks. So we are done and see the inside. So guys, after making it, this is how it looks. You can see how beautiful the structures look. You can see how beautiful it looks. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friend. Keep watching for more designs. Bye until I see my next video.